Hi everyone. This lesson is going to be talking about the future perfect. The perfect tense, as you remember, is talking about things that happen before something else. So in this case, we're talking about things that happen in the future before something else happens in the future. Now, future perfect tense sentences are a little bit longer than a simple future sentence. Like if I say, I will help tomorrow, I will cook dinner. Those are kind of short, simple future sentences. Future perfect are a little longer because you have to say, you're talking about two things. One, you're talking about what will happen, and two, by when. This first will by when it will be finished. So that's what you've got to say, two things in there. Now here is the construction for making future perfect, and that is you will use will have plus the verb, but it's the past participle. Okay? So this is what's to remember here. Will have cooked, will have washed. It's the past participle form of the verb, and the will have puts it in the future. So here's the timeline. Here's the picture of how this works. Here is now, and here's the future. Something is happening, and what we're saying is, and we're saying what will happen. So the first part of it is this, and we're also saying when it will happen. Something is happening, and it's going to be done, it's going to be finished by here. When you say, in the sentence where you have two, where you must say two different things, by when it will be finished must be in simple present. And I'm going to show you that right now. Here's two sentences. When you arrive, we will have cooked dinner. When you arrive, we will have cooked dinner. So you've got two things here. Someone arriving, and then the dinner will be cooked. So you say, what will happen? Dinner. And will have cooked, will have verbed, past participle cooked, cooked, will have cooked. And when you arrive, the arriving is the simple present. When you arrive, we will have cooked dinner. Will have cooked, arrive. In the second example, by the time he turns on his computer, she will have worked for 45 minutes. She starts work earlier than he does. By the time he turns on his computer, she will have worked for 45 minutes. What is happening? She is working. Will have worked. Will have worked for 45 minutes. By when? By the time he turns on his computer. Turns is the simple present, it's the general present. What will happen? She will have worked for 45 minutes. By when? By the time he turns on his computer. So you can see these are a little bit longer than a simple future. I will cook dinner is much shorter than, by the time, when you arrive, we will have cooked dinner. Or, I will turn on my computer 45 minutes early. That's much simpler, much shorter than, by the time he turns on his computer, she will have worked for 45 minutes. So this is how you make future perfect sentences.